Hello, I am Sarbasis Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching maxima minima for joint entrance. Before teaching, I am interested to say if you like my video, my teaching, please subscribe my channel. What is maximum? You see the curve here. That is maximum point, minimum point, maximum point, minimum point, minimum point. That is maximum. Here, minimum point is minimum. The distance is greater than maximum. So maximum does not means that is maximum. So what is the definition of maximum and minimum? At first you listen it. A function fx is said to have a maximum value for x equal to c, that is x equal to c. Here maximum provided we can get a positive quantity delta such that for all value of x in the interval x is less than c plus delta is greater than c minus delta. Okay, if x is greater than c minus delta is less than c plus delta, x not equal to c, then fc is greater than x, fx. It means here if you consider fc is always greater than fx for c plus delta and c minus delta, in this distance fx is always less than fc. Then you say that the point P1 has a maximum point. Okay, fx has maximum value for that. So fc plus h minus fc is less than 0, as because fc is greater than fc plus h. Here c plus h, c minus h, fc is greater than, for modulus h sufficiently small. Okay, then we say that at the point c has maximum value. At the point, suppose this x equal to c, this point maximum value. And similarly, if fx has minimum value for x equal to d, suppose there d minus delta dash, d plus delta dash, fx is always less than, fx is always then fx is always less than fd. Okay, then fx is always greater than fd, that is fd. Okay, then fx is here x, here x, that distance will be greater than this, so fx is greater than fd. So fd plus h minus fd is greater than 0 for h modulus h is sufficiently small. So here you find fx, suppose that is fx, that is fd, so fx is greater than fd, but here fx is less than fc, that is, and in the maximum minimum point their tangent is parallel to x-axis, so dy by dx is 0. Here dy by dx 0. So if x equal to a, dy by dx equal to 0, x slightly less than a, then dy by dx is positive. That is, x slightly less than, suppose this, then the gradient of the tangent is acute angle, and that's why it's greater than 0. If x is slightly greater than a, their tangent is obtuse angle, so minus. Hence y maximum at x equal to n, then dy by dx changes the sign positive to negative. For x equal to b, here you find that is tangent, and that is tangent. Here that is acute, and that is obtuse. So if x is greater than b, then dy by dx is greater than f greater than b, dy by dx is positive, acute, and x is less than b, then dy by dx is negative. So the determination of maximum and minimum, how you determine if C be a point interval in which a function defined, then f dash f dash c equal to 0, f dash c equal to 0, and is minimum. Fc is minimum when f double dash is positive, and if double dash is negative, then fc is maximum. Okay, so fc is maximum. Fc is maximum, that is here fc is maximum if f double dash x is negative. Okay, and fc is minimum here when f double dash x is positive. Okay, minimum when positive. Okay, now if in which here that is maximum. So if f double dash x is negative, then that is maximum. F double dash x is positive, then minimum fc. And in case f dash double dash is not positive and negative, so then you can do more differentiate f dash c, f double dash c. In this way, fn minus c equal to 0, but fnc is not equal to 0. If n be even, that is 4, 8, fc is maximum or minimum if fn is negative or positive. Okay, if n is odd, then fc is neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, so if you derivative, nth derivative, and suppose f dash equal to 0, f double dash 0, in this way fn minus 1 c equal to 0, fnc not equal to 0. In this way you differentiate n times. If n be even, fc is maximum or minimum when f and c is negative or positive. Okay, n is, if n be odd, then fc neither minimum nor maximum. Thank you.